Welcome back to the channel, to the video, to the vlog. Today's video, dang it. Today's video is gonna be me doing something, dealing with this quarantine thing, saying that we're not supposed to be outside doing anything, but at the same time, I want to do something different. I don't want to be sitting at home all day, knowing I should be, but the simple fact is, like, where I'm going, I'm not around a lot of people. I'm not, socializing with a lot of people. I am just doing stuff for the channel at the time, so therefore I'm not around, a group, which I was with a group yesterday, but the group was no more than 10 at a time. It wasn't a big group, it was a small group, which we wound up trying to do some things which I have talked about in another video. We won't talk about that as well, but I am doing something different. I won't tell you what I did, because in fact I want you to watch the video and see and comment and put all your inputs down at the bottom. Tell me if you like what was done and all this and all that, because in fact I went all around Amarillo. There's a couple places I didn't go that I wanted to go, but stuff like this, I didn't go because stuff like this, I had to rush back home. So, with that being said, I'm going to say right here, I'm going to post all the stuff that I done today. Put your comments down below. Tell me if you like what you saw, and if you would like to see more videos, or should I say more things like that.